Alright, well, I'm going to start cutting out the cheeks here.
How big is that one?
That's a big fish. This is a 28-incher that Bob here caught.
That must be the best fisherman of the group here.
So,
of course, it was my side of the boat with my lure, but go ahead, Bob.
So we're cutting out the cheek. That's a walleye scalp, baby.
And they pulled it in all the way in for me. Couldn't hand it to me.
So once you cut out the cheeks, and Jeff cuts out the fillets, and Bob cuts out the ribs here, we leave the skin on. Since we're going back to Wisconsin, we get pulled over, we can show the warden our fish, and we put one fish per package in it here. So here we go again. Cut around a little circle. Now I pull real hard. That pulls the meat away from the skin. And there's a tendon down here. There's the tendon right there, and cut it right off. There you have it.
Nothing wasted.
Good job.
Nothing wasted.
Nothing gained.